Hi friends, as we know, the entire world and especially India is going through a very difficult time and deep crisis. It's high time we acknowledge and salute people worldwide who have contributed and donated in this crisis. Let's talk about some great people across the world who have heavily donated to fight this crisis. The first person in the list is Microsoft CEO Bill Gates, who has donated 1.75 billion US dollars. Bill Gates is the second richest person in the world and is one of the top philanthropists who's very famous for his generosity. In fact, he has pledged to give away 95% of his fortune in charity, and so far 17 billion pounds has already been donated for health projects across the globe. If you remember, Bill Gates Foundation was also mentioned in Chetan Bhagat's novel Half Girlfriend. Next person is Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, who has donated 1000 million US dollars. This is 28% of his net worth. So in a way, he has donated more than one fourth of his total income. Recently, on 10th of May 2021, Jack Dorsey has additionally donated 15 million US dollars to India to fight the current crisis. This amount has been distributed in three non-government organizations. The three NGOs are Aid India, CARE, and Seva International. All three have been working extensively in India. Jack Dorsey is 144th in the list of most rich people, but his philanthropic deeds are unmatchable. Next person is from India, and every Indian is proud of him. He is Wipro founder and chairman Azim Premji, and he has donated 132 million US dollars. Azim Premji is the biggest philanthropist from India, and next to him are Mukesh Ambani and Shiv Nagar. In the year 2020, Azim Premji was the top philanthropist from India by donating 7,904 crore rupees on various causes. Next person is American financier George Soros, who was born in Hungary. He has donated 130 million US dollars for the current crisis. If we talk about his overall donations in various causes, as on March 2021, George Soros has donated 32 billion US dollars, which is 64% of his total income. According to Forbes, he is the most generous giver if you consider percentage of net worth. Next is the world's richest person and Amazon founder and CEO Jeff Bezos, who has donated 100 million US dollars. If you remember, last year Jeff Bezos was in the limelight when he donated 10 billion US dollars for climate change. Next person is Canadian engineer and film producer Jeff Skoll, who has donated 100 million US dollars. Jeff Skoll is a noted philanthropist and is also the recipient of Carnegie Medal of Philanthropy. Next person is Australian mining magnate Andrew Forrest. He has donated 100 million US dollars for this crisis. Andrew Forrest is well known for his philanthropy and has made largest donation in Australian history by donating $400 million for social and medical causes. Last year, he had also donated $70 million for forest fire or bushfire in Australia. Next person is Chairman and CEO of Dell Technologies, Michael Dell, who has donated 100 million US dollars for the current crisis. Michael Dell is well-known philanthropist, and the year 2017, he had donated 1 billion US dollars for child poverty. So these were some of the top and renowned philanthropists from the entire world. It's heartening to see people donate generously for the humankind. There are some people who are always cribbing and complaining and have done nothing during the current crisis. They are either blaming the state or the center government. But there are many people who have worked tirelessly and are helping the needy in every possible way. That reminds me of an old phrase from my school days, which our class teacher used to say: those who do, they do. Those who don't, they complain. Once again, let's salute and acknowledge the people who have donated their hard-earned money for the current crisis. Thank you so much, friends. This is Dr. Vinod Singh. Goodbye.